হেল্ল' গাইজ, আপোনালোক সকলোকে মোৰ চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি মই ভাৰতৰ কলা সংস্কৃতিৰ 50টা অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। গতিকে আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈকে চাব। কুৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 1, লাভনী ইজ এ ডান্স ফৰ্ম অফ হুইচ ষ্টেট ইন ইণ্ডিয়া? লাৱনী ভাৰতৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ নৃত্য ৰূপ? দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ ইজ অপশ্যন এ, মহাৰাষ্ট্ৰ। Question number 2. In which state is the Garba dance form practiced? কোন ৰাজ্যত গৰবা নৃত্যৰ ৰূপ পৰিৱেশন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Question number 3. Chau is the folk dance form of the common people of. Chau হৈছে সাধাৰণ জনতাৰ লোকনৃত্যৰ ৰূপ। The correct answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Chau or Chau is a semi-classical Indian dance form with martial, tribal and folk origins from Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Question number 4. Kullu Dussehra is a colorful festival majorly celebrated in which state or union territory? কুল্লু দশহৰা হৈছে কোনখন ৰাজ্য বা কেন্দ্ৰীয় শাসিত অঞ্চলত উদযাপন কৰা এটা ৰঙীন উৎসৱ? The correct answer is option D, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 5. Onam is a festival celebrated in which Indian state? Onam উৎসৱ ভাৰতৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যত উদযাপন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option B, Kerala. Question number 6. Pongal is a festival of which state? Pongal কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ উৎসৱ? The correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Question number 7. In which state of India is the Bihu festival celebrated? ভাৰতৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যত বিহু উৎসৱ পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C, Assam. Question number 8. Cherao dance is a traditional dance form of which state? Cherao নৃত্য কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ পৰম্পৰাগত নৃত্য? The correct answer is option B, Mizoram. Question number 9. Satriya dance is related to which state? সত্ৰীয়া নৃত্য কোন ৰাজ্যৰ লগত জড়িত? The correct answer is option B, Assam. Question number 10. Bharatnatyam is a famous dance of which state? ভাৰতনাট্যম কোন ৰাজ্যৰ বিখ্যাত নৃত্য? The correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Question number 11. Kathak is a classical dance form of which Indian state? কথক কোন ভাৰতীয় ৰাজ্যৰ ধ্ৰুপদী নৃত্য? The correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 12. Kuchipudi is the famous dance of which state? কুচিপুডি কোন ৰাজ্যৰ বিখ্যাত নৃত্য? The correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 13. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance form of which Indian state? মোহিনীঅট্টম কোন ভাৰতীয় ৰাজ্যৰ ধ্ৰুপদী নৃত্য? The correct answer is option B, Kerala. Question number 14. Kathakali dance is related to which state? কথাকলি নৃত্য কোন ৰাজ্যৰ লগত জড়িত? The correct answer is option C, Kerala. Question number 15. Losar festival is celebrated in which state or union territory? কোন ৰাজ্য বা কেন্দ্ৰীয় শাসিত অঞ্চলত লৌচাৰ উৎসৱ পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Ladakh. Question number 16. In which of the following states is the Losong festival celebrated? তলৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যত লুচুং উৎসৱ পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C, Sikkim. Question number 17. Wangala festival is celebrated in which of the following states of India? ভাৰতৰ তলৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যত ৱাংগালা উৎসৱ পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option D, Meghalaya. The Wangala festival is a harvest festival primarily celebrated by the Garo tribe in Meghalaya. It is also known as the 100 Drums Festival. Question number 18. Where is Pushkar Fair held? ক'ত পুষ্কৰ মেলা অনুষ্ঠিত হয়? The correct answer is option D, Ajmer. The Pushkar Fair, also known as Pushkar Camel Fair or Kartik Mela, is held annually in the town of Pushkar, located in the Ajmer district of Rajasthan, India. Question number 19. In which state is the Madhavpur Mela held annually? বছৰি কোন ৰাজ্যত মাধৱপুৰ মেলা অনুষ্ঠিত হয়? The correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Question number 20. In which of these places is the Kumbh Mela celebrated? এইবোৰৰ কোনটো ঠাইত কুম্ভ মেলা পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Haridwar. Kumbh Mela is celebrated in a cycle of approximately 12 years at 4 riverbank pilgrimage sites, namely the Allahabad Ganges Yamuna Saraswati rivers confluence, Nasik Godavari, Haridwar Ganges, and Ujjain Shipra. Question number 21. In which of the following Indian states is the Lai Haraoba festival celebrated? তলৰ কোনখন ভাৰতীয় ৰাজ্যত লাই হাৰাওবা উৎসৱ পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option D, Manipur. Lai Haraoba festival is celebrated by the Meitei tribe of Manipur. Question number 22. The Hornbill festival is celebrated in which state? কোন ৰাজ্যত হৰ্ণবিল উৎসৱ পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Nagaland. Question number 23. Which state is famous for Dandiya Ras dance? দণ্ডিয়া ৰাস নৃত্যৰ বাবে কোনখন ৰাজ্য বিখ্যাত? The correct answer is option D, Gujarat. Question number 24. Kalbelia folk dance is associated with which of the following states? কালবেলিয়া লোকনৃত্য তলৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ লগত জড়িত? The correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Question number 25. Which famous folk dance of Haryana is performed by both men and women? হাৰিয়ানাৰ কোনটো বিখ্যাত লোকনৃত্য পুৰুষ মহিলা উভয়ে পৰিৱেশন কৰে? The correct answer is option D, fake dance. Question number 26. Bhangra is a dance of which state? ভাংৰা কোন ৰাজ্যৰ নৃত্য? The correct answer is option A, Punjab. Question number 27. Gidda is a popular folk dance from which state of India? গিদ্দা ভাৰতৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ জনপ্ৰিয় লোকনৃত্য? The correct answer is option A, Punjab. Question number 28. Ghumar is a folk dance of which state? ঘুমাৰ কোন ৰাজ্যৰ লোকনৃত্য? The correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Question number 29. Pandavani is the folk music of which state? পাণ্ডৱনী কোন ৰাজ্যৰ লোকসংগীত? The correct answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Question number 30. To which state does the traditional tapu dance belong? পৰম্পৰাগত তাপু নৃত্য কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ অন্তৰ্গত? The correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 31. Nupa dance is associated with which Indian state? নুপা নৃত্য কোনখন ভাৰতীয় ৰাজ্যৰ লগত জড়িত? The correct answer is option B, Manipur. Question number 32. Garhwali is the famous folk dance of which state? গৰুৱালী কোন ৰাজ্যৰ বিখ্যাত লোকনৃত্য? The correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Question number 33. Nautanki is a folk dance of which among the following states? নৌটংকী তলত উল্লেখ কৰা ৰাজ্যসমূহৰ ভিতৰত কোনখনৰ লোকনৃত্য? The correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Other folk dance of Uttar Pradesh are Raslila, Kajri, Jhora, Chepeli, Jaita. Question number 34. Yakshagana folk dance is associated to which Indian state? যক্ষগণ লোকনৃত্য ভাৰতীয় কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ লগত জড়িত? The correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Question number 35. To which of the following states does the folk dance Khoria belong? লোকনৃত্য খৰিয়া তলৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ অন্তৰ্গত? The correct answer is option B, Haryana. Some important folk dances of Haryana include Khoria, Phek, Dhamal, Jhumar and Loor. Question number 36. Kami is the famous ancient dance form of which of the following state? কুম্মি হৈছে তলৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ বিখ্যাত প্ৰাচীন নৃত্য? The correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Kami is a popular folk dance of Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Question number 37. Singhi Sam is the folk dance of which state? Singhi Sam কোন ৰাজ্যৰ লোকনৃত্য? The correct answer is option C, Sikkim. Question number 38. Thengta, a martial art form, is associated with which state of India? Thangta, এটা যুদ্ধ কলা ৰূপ ভাৰতৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ লগত জড়িত? The correct answer is option C, Manipur. Question number 39. Hojagiri is a folk dance of which state of India? Hojagiri ভাৰতৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ লোকনৃত্য? The correct answer is option C, Tripura. Question number 40. In which state is the festival of Gudi Padwa especially celebrated? কোন ৰাজ্যত গুডি পডৱাৰ উৎসৱ বিশেষভাৱে পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. The festival of Gudi Padwa is known in Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh by the name of Ugadi. Some important festivals celebrated in Maharashtra are Gudi Padwa, Ganesh Chaturthi, Makar Sankranti, Diwali and Nag Panchami. Question number 41. Bori Bhut Yullo is a festival celebrated by which of the following tribe of Arunachal Pradesh? Bori Bhut Yullo Arunachal Pradeshৰ তলৰ কোনটো জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে পালন কৰা এটা উৎসৱ? The correct answer is option C, Nisi. Some important festivals celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh include Solung, Losar, Mopin, Myoko and Sidoni. Question number 42. Modhera Dance Festival Uttarat Mahotsav is celebrated in which Indian state? Modhera নৃত্য মহোৎসৱ উত্তৰাৰ্ট মহোৎসৱ ভাৰতৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যত পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Gujarat celebrates vibrant festivals like Navratri, the International Kite Festival, Makar Sankranti, the Ran Utsav, Kutch Festival, along with others like Diwali, Holi and Janmashtami. Question number 43. In which state is the Sapsar Kut Festival celebrated in the month of March every year? কোনখন ৰাজ্যত প্ৰতি বছৰে মাৰ্চ মাহত সাপচাৰ কুট উৎসৱ পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Mizoram. Some important festivals celebrated in Mizoram include Sapsar Kut, Pol Kut, the Anthurium Festival, Mim Kut, Thalphabang Kut, etc. Question number 44. Kharsi Puja is celebrated in which state of India? ভাৰতৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যত খাৰচী পূজা পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C, Tripura. Some of Tripura's important festivals include Garya Puja, Durga Puja, Buddha Purnima, Kharsi Puja, Poush Sankranti, Bihu also known as Bishu, and Christmas. Question number 45. Chhath Puja is mainly a festival of which state? Chhath Puja মূলতঃ কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ উৎসৱ? The correct answer is option C, Bihar. Some prominent festivals in Bihar include Chhath Puja, Makar Sankranti, and the Sonpur Mela. Question number 46. Which of the following is a cattle fair celebrated in the state of Himachal Pradesh? তলৰ কোনখন হিমাচল প্ৰদেশত উদযাপন কৰা গৰু মেলা? The correct answer is option C, Nalwari Fair. Question number 47. In which state of India is Khajuraho dance festival celebrated? ভাৰতৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যত খাজুৰাহ নৃত্য উৎসৱ পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 48. Bagurumba is a folk dance of which tribe of Assam? Bagurumba অসমৰ কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ লোকনৃত্য? The correct answer is option B, Bodo. Question number 49. Which of the following festivals of Andhra Pradesh is celebrated on the third day of Krishna Pax of Ashvijam? Andhra Pradeshৰ তলৰ কোনটো উৎসৱ অশ্বিজামৰ কৃষ্ণ পক্ষৰ তৃতীয় দিনা পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C, Atla Tet. Question number 50. Which of the following major festivals is celebrated by Kashmiri Pandits in Jammu and Kashmir in the month of February or March? তলৰ কোনটো প্ৰধান উৎসৱ জম্মু কাশ্মীৰত ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী বা মাৰ্চ মাহত কাশ্মীৰী পণ্ডিতসকলে পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option B, Herat Festival.